Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Bramovich, president of DeanMark and one of the inventors of the Air Mouse. During my MBA at McGill University, I developed a repetitive stress injury. I was using a computer mouse as much as 10 hours a day, 7 days a week. And as a result, I developed pain in my hand, wrist, and lost the ability to use my arm for more than 30 days. Now, during that time, I couldn't use a keyboard, a mouse, or even hold the pen in my hand. The pain was so severe that it motivated us at DeanMark to develop a solution to this problem, the Air Mouse. The Air Mouse is a revolutionary, wearable, and wireless computer mouse that is experimentally tested and medically endorsed to increase mousing speed and accuracy while simultaneously reducing the pain associated with computer-related repetitive stress injuries.
The most common computer-related repetitive stress injury is known as carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is an inflammatory condition of a canal within the wrist that causes numbness, pain, and weakness in the over 1.2 million new sufferers per year. Early treatment for carpal tunnel syndrome involves activity modification, splinting the wrist in neutral position, and taking anti-inflammatory medications. Once the disease progresses, the only known cure is surgery.
Here's how the Air Mouse works. At the core of the Air Mouse are three basic components: the support structure, the tracking device, and the mouse click buttons. The scientists at DeanMark worked with a team of medical doctors and hand specialists to examine the ligament and tendon structures of the hand. They identified the key ligaments used in computer mousing, and based on their findings, our scientists built a support structure that assists the hand in maintaining a healthy, neutral hand posture during mouse use.
The total cost burden for carpal tunnel syndrome approaches $7.6 billion per year in the US. The problem is that from onset of symptom to resolution of the disease can often take upwards of a year for a patient. When patients use computer mice, they are forced to move their wrists in radial and ulnar deviation, flexion and extension, and there's direct compression on the carpal canal from the surface below. All of these serves to increase pressure within the canal and increases the severity of symptoms. The Air Mouse allows a patient to continue using a computer mouse with the wrists supported in the neutral position and without compression. We believe that the Air Mouse can reduce symptoms, may halt progression of the disease, and can allow a patient to continue their daily activities in a pain-free environment.
With the standard mouse, the tracking device is separated from the hand, which causes the user to move their hand and wrist in strenuous and dangerous positions during mousing. With the Air Mouse, by placing the optical tracking device on the support structure at the base of the thumb, mousing movements are generated from the elbow, causing less angular wrist strain, increasing blood flow to the hand, and improving mousing speed and accuracy. The Air Mouse has a left and right mouse click button, just like a regular computer mouse, so input function is the same. When the Air Mouse is lifted out of the mousing position, the optical piece is no longer in contact with the surface, so you can type and mouse intermittently. You can also perform other office functions like writing, getting paper, or even drinking a cup of coffee. On the Air Mouse, the electronics are separable from the wearable support structure, so the user can replace the glove component when it wears out. So why the Air Mouse? The Air Mouse is an evolution in mousing technology. It's invisible by function and a billboard by design. It's an evolution in mousing technology because it's the same motion you've always been using, except it's faster, more accurate, and has less associated RSI-related pain. It's invisible in function because we've gotten rid of the mouse in mousing. To computer mouse now, all you have to do is place your hand on a surface and move it around. And it's a billboard by design because much like iPods and cell phones, your computer mouse isn't something you leave in your bag or at home. It's something that you take with you everywhere you go. For more information, please go to our website at www.theairmouse.com. Thanks very much.